Okay, hello ladies and hello gentlemen. Today I want to tell you about another malicious domain which is currently attacking many browsers. In particular, I'm talking about Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox because these two browsers are the most vulnerable before such kind of threats. So the pop-up comes from the website which I have made highlighted. It's called Rabsirolcalat.info. Well, the name of the website, of course, does not make really any sense. And the problem with these pop-ups is that users currently see their multitude. It's not just a casual incident, of course, but users see plenty of these pop-ups in various corners of their browsers. And the reason why they see these pop-ups so multiply is because they have mistakenly clicked on this allow button. So, first of all, I want to tell you that it's very dangerous for you to click on this allow button because otherwise your browser will be hijacked. And after you click on this allow button, these push notifications will be enabled and you will start receiving plenty of such pop-ups that will bombard your screen, and you will be really fed up to close these pop-ups all the time. However, after you close them, you will see another range of such similar pop-ups that will disturb your attention greatly. So what I recommend you to do is not to interact with these pop-ups at all, not to click on either of these buttons, either or on block button or on allow button. Now let's suppose you have mistakenly clicked on the allow button. This means that these push notifications will be enabled and you will start receiving other pop-ups like that. So here is what you should do after that has happened. You go to Google Chrome, you go to settings, you scroll down to the advanced area over here, you find the content settings area, and you click on notifications. Now you may see these domains which cause such push notifications. You need to click here and click on remove. Click here and on this button in the form of three vertical dots and click on remove. Afterwards, you will no longer start facing such pop-ups unless you click on allow button again. So this has fixed the issue manually and of course for free. However, I also recommend that you scan your computer with a program called Combo Cleaner Premium. It's a great antivirus for Mac. Combo Cleaner Premium. You may download it by going to the official site of this program called combocleaner.com. So after you have visited this site, you will see the offer to download Combo Cleaner directly. So this is what you should do. Click on Combo Cleaner installer, install the program, move the installer, the DMG file into the applications area like this. Well, in my case, the program is already installed, so after you install it, the program will most likely update its antivirus databases, and you need to complete a scanning with this program. It is quite likely that it will detect some malicious items, some malicious components in your system. Of course, it might be that your system is clean. However, the chances are that, well, if you have seen such a pop-up show made of these push notifications, it's quite likely that there is still some malware functioning in your browser, and it might be in control of some of your search settings, or the chances are that maybe some other unwanted application is currently installed in your Mac and causing all such system slowdowns. Well, I'm not trying to scare you into downloading anything. It's just a good idea to check if your Mac computer is really functioning not as it should. So I recommend you to wait until the updating antivirus databases by Combo Cleaner is completed, and then scan your Mac computer with this program, which might detect some unwanted stuff. Okay, after the databases of Combo Cleaner Premium got updated, the program must scan your computer. Click on Start Combo Scan button over here. You will notice that it could be that almost immediately some threads will be found. It could be that they will be located sometime afterwards. However, in either case, it's really a good idea that you scan your Mac with this powerful cleaner, which will help you to boost up your Mac performance and to make it really function as it should. Thanks for your attention, and you might find the description to this video. You may find some links in the description. If it was helpful to you, please like it and please share it with your friends and colleagues. Bye.